everyone, and welcome to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, naturally, and step by step.
Hi, everyone. I am Jake, and I am very happy to be here today.
Jake, I have a question for you. How long have you been coming to this show?
This is actually my first time. I am a little nervous.
You do not look nervous at all, but that is okay. Today is actually a perfect day to be nervous, because today is our very first episode of English Unfolded.
Oh, so everyone watching is also here for the first time.
Exactly. We are all meeting each other today, for the first time, and that makes today's topic very special.
What is today's topic?
Today, we are going to learn how to say hello and introduce yourself in English. Simple, clear, and very natural.
Oh, that is perfect. Because every time I meet a new person and they speak English, I freeze. I do not know what to say first.
I know that feeling. Many people feel that way. But after today, you will know exactly what to say, and it will feel easy and comfortable.
I am ready. Let's learn.
But before we start, Jake, should we ask our listeners for a small favor?
Yes. Everyone, if you are enjoying English Unfolded, please click the like button right now.
And please subscribe to English Unfolded. We make new lessons every week, just for you.
Share this with a friend who wants to learn English. Let's learn together.
Let's unfold this English journey together. Okay, let's start with the most important question. How do you say hello in English?
Hello, or hi?
Yes, both are correct. Hello is a little more formal. Hi is more casual and friendly. Both are very common. You can use both every day.
Hello, hi. Simple. I know these.
Good. Now, after you say hello, the next step is to tell the other person your name. You say, "Hi, my name is Jake."
Hi, my name is Jake. That is easy.
Yes, very simple, very clear. You can also say, "I'm Jake." Both are correct and natural.
Hi, my name is Jake. Or I'm Jake. Which one is better?
Both are good. "Hi, my name is" a little more formal. "I'm Jake" is more relaxed. In most situations, both work perfectly.
I am Jake. Hi, my name is Jake. Okay, I will remember both.
Good. Now, after the name, there is one more very important phrase. You say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. And the other person says,
"Nice to meet you too." Always add "to" at the end. It shows you feel the same way.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. That is very polite and warm.
Yes, and very important. In English, when someone says "nice to meet you," you always say "nice to meet you too." It's a sign of respect.
Nice to meet you too. I will always remember to say too now.
Good. Now, after the first hello, people often ask about your job or your life. A very common question is, "What do you do?"
What do you do? That means, what is your job?
Yes, it's a polite and natural way to ask about someone's job or daily life. And the answer is simple. You say, "I'm a student," or "I work as a teacher," or "I work at a company."
I work as a designer. I am a student. Very clear.
Exactly. Short and simple. People do not need a long answer. Just one sentence is enough.
What do you do? I work as a designer. Perfect. Can I try the whole introduction now?
Please do.
Hi, my name is Jake. I work as a designer. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. That was wonderful. A complete, natural introduction from start to finish.
Thank you. That felt good, like a real conversation.
It was a real conversation. Now, one more phrase. Sometimes people ask, "How old are you?" And you answer, "I'm 26 years old," or just, "I'm 26."
How old are you? I'm 26.
Simple. Yes, in English, age questions are common and normal. It's not rude to ask, especially when you are getting to know someone new.
Good to know. In some cultures, it feels a little personal, but in English, it's okay.
Yes, very okay. It's just friendly conversation. Okay, Jake, let's do one full role play. Imagine we are meeting for the very first time. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alice. My name is Jake. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Jake?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the United States. What do you do?
I work as a designer. How about you?
I'm an English teacher. Oh, and how old are you, if you don't mind?
I'm 26. And you?
I'm 28. It's really nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Alice.
That was wonderful. A complete, natural introduction from start to finish.
I can't believe how natural that felt. Just a few phrases and it was a real conversation.
That's the goal. English does not need to be difficult. It just needs to be practiced. Shall we unfold what we learned today one more time?
Yes, let's do it.
First, say hello, hi, or hello. Both are correct and friendly.
Hi. Hello. Easy and simple. The first step.
Then give your name. Hi, my name is Jake, or I'm Jake.
Hi. My name is Jake. Clear and direct.
Then say where you are from.
One sentence. Easy to remember.
Then the most important phrase, nice to meet you, and the answer, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Always say to at the end.
Then if someone asks about your job, what do? You answer, I'm a student, or I work as a teacher, or I work at a company.
I work as a designer. Short and clear.
And if someone asks your age, how old are you? You answer, I'm 26.
How old are you? I'm 26. Very simple.
Every phrase today is short, every phrase today is clear, and every phrase today is something you will use in real life. That's what English Unfolded is for.
I came here nervous. Now I feel ready to introduce myself to anyone.
And that's one more door you just opened. Everyone at home, you did so well today. This is just the beginning. Every lesson we will unfold a little more together.
We are so happy you are here with us, and we have a question for you.
Everyone, please leave a comment below. Write your name, where you are from, and what you do in English. Practice right here in the comments.
We will read every comment. We love seeing you practice.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who is starting to learn English. Let's all grow together.
Well, Jake, welcome to English Unfolded. It's really nice to have you here.
Thank you, Alice. It's really nice to be here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. To everyone at home, keep unfolding your voice. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.